Hi, today we're going to take a look at multiplying two binomials. There are three ways to do this. First of which we're going to look at is called the double distribution method. Basically what happens is we take the terms in the first binomial and we rewrite it out so that we're going to distribute them through the second one. A key point here is to make sure that the minus with the 5 gets included when we do the distribution. So in the double distribution method, we rewrite it out, and then we distribute into each set of parentheses. 6x times 2x will give us 12x squared. 6x times the 3 will give us, almost goofed there, 18x. And the next set of parentheses, then, you've got to make sure it's a negative 5 that we're going to multiply in. So from there, we should get a negative 10x and a minus 15. At this point, you'll want to look for like terms, the 18x and the minus 10x. When we add those together, we should get 8x. So our final answer in this case should be the 12x squared plus 8x minus 15. The second method we're going to look at is the FOIL method. It's very much similar to the double distribution method. It just eliminates the step of writing everything out. The FOIL part is a reminder to make sure that you multiply everything together. The F in FOIL is to make sure that you multiply the first parts together. So the 6x has to get multiplied by the 2x. The O is for outer. That is a reminder to make sure that the 6x gets multiplied by the 3 in this case. So the outside parts of the parentheses get multiplied. The I in FOIL is for inner. In our case, it's going to be the negative 5 getting multiplied by the 2x. And the L in FOIL is for last. That's to indicate that the last term in each set of parentheses gets multiplied together, in this case, the negative 5 times the 3. If we do the work in this case, the 6x times the 2x would be the 12x squared. 6x times the 3 would give us an 18x. The negative 5 times the 2x would give us a negative 10x. And the negative 5 times 3 would be negative 15. Just like in the other method, we're going to add the like terms together. So we should end up, once again, with the 12x squared plus 8x minus 15. The third method is the box method. This is a different way of organizing it. What happens is the person creates a box or a rectangle. Hopefully you draw better than I do. You then take the terms of each binomial and write them down. It does not matter whether you go across or up and down. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first term, and the 6x will go above the first column. Negative 5 will go above the second column. Now I'll take the second binomial with the 2x, and I'm going to write that going down. Then we multiply the matching parts together in each box. So in the first top left box, we're going to do the 6x times the 2x, and we should get the 12x squared. The top right box is going to be the negative 5 times the 2x, which will give us negative 10x. Bottom left box will be the 6x times the 3, or 18x. And the bottom right box is the negative 5 times the 3, which will be negative 15. In these cases, normally on the diagonal, you will get your like terms. So when we add things together, we're going to get 12x squared plus 8x when we combine the like terms, and the minus 15. So all three methods are going to give you the same answer. Now at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 3 practice problems, and then I will show the work for each one. You may want to pause in between and actually try some of these before you look at the work. So first example, we got x plus 3 times x plus 8. You may want to pause here before I reveal the answer. Here's the work using the double distribution method. The work using the FOIL method. And the work using the box method. Second practice problem, a little bit harder. Once again, you may want to pause the video before I reveal the answer. Work using the double distribution method. Work using the FOIL method. And the work using the box method. Key to note on the box method here, please make sure that you included the minus with the 7. Third example, once again, the difficulty level's been raised up. You may want to pause before I reveal the answer. Work using the double distribution method. Work using the FOIL method. Once again, please be careful with the minus signs. And then the work using the box method. Once again, please make sure you include the minus signs when you write this out, so just the minus 9 in the first binomial and the minus 4 in the second binomial. Hope you have found this helpful. Good luck.